Dude, you should tell which mascara.
Yeah, which mascara is this?
Oh,
Maybelline. Sponsor us,
that's
girls.
not makeup the best.
Yeah, sponsor. Maybelline, if you're watching this video, sponsor us, girls. We will be like the brand promoters. Shalaka is
I've changed. We just fought like 2 months back. She said, my opinion. Mind your own business. Don't put your opinion on me.
torture time. Guys, so today I'm gonna be doing this video where I'm gonna be torturing my flatmates by asking random questions, and if they say wrong answers, dunk in the cold water. If they say little wrong answer, dunk in the cold water. If they say a little bit right answer, dunk. It should be perfectly good answer. Guys, so now I'll be putting some ice inside the bowl. Although we have small bowls, we are just gonna manage with this. Okay, so ice. Come, girls. And then
It's on.
few ice here as well.
Bitch, just put liquid pastries in.
Shalaka.
I think
That's a real decision.
We'll have to probably beep this. Yeah, please.
It's fine. Okay, girls, come here, come. Welcome to my video. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome. Shalaka is sitting like that. And bro, Shalaka, it should be easier for me to dunk.
Oh no! She's getting ready to dump it.
Okay, so what do you guys think of this video? Shalaka, let's start with you.
I just want to say this is not a fair fight because she's known you forever. She's your best friend. This is cheating. I don't know shit about her.
You know why? Yeah, she only knows my trauma. She doesn't know me. Yeah. Guys, if you relate, do comment down below. Because you know your close friend, your best friend doesn't know you. They know your traumas. And Shalaka knows
I mean,
me.
I know you. I don't know your favorites. I know you. I don't.
My traumas. Okay, don't see my phone, okay?
So, bro, I cannot see. I'm not wearing my glasses.
Guys, by the way, both of them are blind, so it's fine. I'm not chilling. So today's video is wrong answers is equal to dumped. Okay, the first one. What's the first thing I do after waking up? Let me clarify. After brushing my teeth.
You heat water and you make that tea.
Wait, you should also say. And you? You prepare your green tea.
This is cheating. Whoever says that first, it should be.
Actually, write down in your phone.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, write down.
That should be.
Write the answer, and then we are doing it better and better. Every round we are gonna do it better. Okay, but so the first answer, both of them were right, guys. I'm a green tea addict.
I'm gonna say brushing because all she does is not just in her washroom, all around the house.
Slim waist and no bloating. Green tea. Second question. What do I do when I get bored? If you know, you know. If you know, you know. It's a little tricky. And if you want one clue, I can give you one clue.
What?
I've done YouTube video on it. Da la 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 la.
Ready?
She's writing paragraph.
Bro, give it to her to write your whole trauma story down, bro.
Show me. Okay. Show me the video, Shalaka. Sorry, show me the phone, please. No! No! No!
That's exactly what you do when you're bored.
No.
She does this also. She's bored, she'll come to your room,
No.
she'll annoy you.
Wrong answer.
Start screaming usually do.
No, guys, I wax my face. That's what I do.
That's not when you are bored. That's your routine.
No. That was my answer. So
Okay.
you both get dunked.
What the fuck?
That was my Shalaka didn't get dunked.
No, I didn't. Bro, I need towel. It's very cold.
Oh, no. That
Your
was-
God is also nice. No, what?
Okay, next. Guys, that was
You
fun.
shouldn't say right, wrong. If it's wrong to you, you should just push
Yeah,
it.
oh yeah.
Oh!
This round. Okay, I'm gonna tell what's my answer and I'll also read your answers as well.
Oh my God. Okay.
What's something that instantly ruins my mood? This is a little serious, okay? Write it down.
What's something that instantly?
Ruins my mood. And then day to day, if I don't do something or something, then it ruins my mood.
Oh, okay. If you don't do something.
Yeah. Or anything. Day to day basis.
Mine is not, my answer is not like a thing. It's like something you.
If it relates to my answer, then it's right.
It's like kaun banega crorepati.
Shalaka, show your face. You're turning this
Oh,
side.
okay.
My followers wants to see your face. Some of them are your fan as well.
Oh,
Okay. Let's read with now Yashaswini.
What did you say?
Working out.
Okay.
Okay. Shalaka, not this. No, it's activity.
Oh, activity.
Okay, Shalaka, wrong.
But am I right?
No, you're wrong as well.
What do you do? I'm so glad we both don't. What the fuck?
Not getting my work done on time.
Oh, dude, I didn't know this. I didn't know.
See, if I don't do my YouTube videos or if I don't edit on time, I'm
Not just YouTube video, even if you don't work out, you get annoyed.
Always, she most of the time misses her work.
Oh my god.
yeah. So this was the wrong answer. Yes.
Yashu, you should be so
Yashu,
glad you're not wearing mascara today.
Imagine.
Actually, waterproof.
Oh, yes.
Dude, you should tell which mascara
Yeah, which
you're wearing.
mascara is this?
Oh,
Maybelline sponsor as
that's
girls.
not makeup the best.
Yeah, sponsor Maybelline. If you're watching this video, sponsor as girls. We will be like the brand promoters.
No, I didn't think you know, doing your editing videos and stuff, but then I realized you're always, oh, I need to work out. I'll have to work out and then go.
Workout, yes,
So,
but in general, all of my works,
uh,
DJ, Meeta, Manila, anything, it kind of
basically all entire thing.
yeah.
Everything gets
Not just work. So it was wrong. Half wrong? Wrong.
What?
Next question, guys. Are you
You
ready?
get even one right.
Are you ready? No.
One
No, one.
reading.
That was, I don't think that counted.
Okay, next question. Okay. What is my favorite food? If you guys don't get this, what are you guys? Yashaswini, she's looking at my face. Shalaka is confident. Shalaka is confident about this answer. Yasha seems about this. Food.
Food.
Yeah. And any kind of that food I love.
I got it.
Even my followers know this answer, bro.
I got it, guys. I got it. This time I'm right.
Then you go first.
No, I'm gonna sing.
With seafood.
Crab in general.
I put prawn gyros, crab.
Two answers right. Guys, two answers. Only two answers out of 20. So crab is my favorite food. Guys, if you are thinking about what is my favorite food, crab is my favorite food.
This was easy for me.
No, the thing is, I thought day to day. It's not that's something you occasionally, that's your favorite on occasion, guys. So day to day, what's there? I was thinking of
Day to day, no one can have any favorite food, bro. They can't eat the same thing every day. I mean, except for you, biryani.
I've told my followers, if I have to choose between crab and a person, I'll choose crab. So that's how much I love crab. And you should know
This
about
is for you. You are the best friend. That's why I'm like wondering right now. So what is this answer?
Okay, next. What Shalaka actually should know about this because I'll tell you.
Now I'm nervous.
What was my first YouTube video? Shalaka should know because she's watched my previous YouTube videos, and Yasha should know because she's in that video. If
I
you
am
guys-
in that video.
First YouTube video.
Oh, I know.
No, I don't know. I don't know.
Oh, what I'm taking.
Yeah, you can take a chance.
I actually started.
Come on, girls. What is taking so long?
I just remember one part of the.
I don't remember, but I'm thinking.
No, in general you can say.
But I'm not sure if that's the first
Okay.
video.
Is the water still cold? Yeah, it is.
Okay. Okay, bro.
Now Shalaka.
You're not gonna get prize or anything.
Go ahead.
You?
I remember that luggage carrying video where I shot the video. Was that the first one? In Kingston? No?
Shalaka is Shalaka is indirectly right. Okay?
So the first video was like
My introduction.
Yeah, it was in her room. She was saying, "Hi guys, this is my
And Yasha
first."
was sitting in the bed in my hotel room.
I remember this. I was saying, "What is this bad lighting? Why is she looking whitewashed?"
Did I come with the Twinkle?
Yeah, before that you were staying with me.
Yeah, this video was before or after?
Before.
Oh, I don't remember that. Oh my god.
Yashas, what the fuck, Yashas? What the hell is happening here?
Doesn't matter. It's okay.
Shalaka 3, Yashas 2. Oh my god, Yashas, you gotta,
No.
you gotta up your game. Next. What compliment do I secretly love hearing? Is my favorite compliment. You guys should know. You guys should know about this. Yasha seems competitive.
No, this I'm definitely getting wrong.
No, Shalaka, you should know about this.
What's my
favorite
one
compliment?
something that you hate compliment? Hate one word in a compliment, but
What? I don't remember.
Okay, I got shocked.
Yasha, did you write?
I don't know.
What the fuck, Shalaka? She said you have a nice ass.
What was it? Mine is bad, yo.
What the fuck? She said gorgeous. Fucking done.
What is it?
My favorite compliment. No. It's about perfume. If
Oh,
someone compliments me on my
fuck
I
yeah.
Shalaka should know.
No,
Because
I knew this. Yeah, she likes it when people compliment
Yeah.
her when she smells.
it's not about my face. It's about the smell. If people love-
Not it is about her.
So
ass.
basically, compliment your smell instead of your.
Not my smell. Obviously not my perfume.
She smells.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah.
Fragrance.
I could have got this.
Yeah.
I
Shalaka
chose the
should get-
funny route.
Bro, she even told us the other day someone complimented.
Yesterday I told you.
Yeah, I completely it's skipped around.
Yesterday night I told you, Yasha, this is my favorite compliment also. I told you.
Never mind.
Okay, next is easy, okay? Am I more emotional or practical? This is a little more. Natalie, are you getting it? This should be easy for you guys. Because Yasha's finished fast, I'm gonna start with Yasha's finish. So Yasha's.
What?
She said practical.
Shalaka, what the fuck, Shalaka? I was going dunking my face myself. What is this?
What the hell? No using two answers. Just one.
It's a fact. She's bored. No.
Practical. 100% practical. If I don't use my brain, that's the worst part.
What the fuck? After drinking Grey Goose, she was sitting in the corner and crying.
Let's not go there. Let's not go there.
That's drunk issue.
Oh, Shalaka, this Shalaka should know. I'm doubting Yasha.
Oh, then too definitely I don't know.
What kind of people annoy me instantly? This is.
I know.
Yeah! Guys,
Okay.
I hate dumb people. I'm going to boxing class this Saturday. Can you even come and
Fuck, I think Yasha has
Yeah.
a waterproof makeup. Only.
It's just What is this makeup routine?
Maybelline, full face Maybelline.
No, it's like a mix of all.
Which brand is this?
Yeah.
Come on. They have to sponsor us. Guys, what
No, all I use is concealer, mascara, lipstick, lip balm.
This lipstick is also not moving.
Chanel.
Oh!
Aged lip balm.
Oh!
Maybelline. And then Huda Beauty.
Oh! Huda Beauty if you're watching
Concealer,
this.
guys.
Ooh,
And if she gets sponsored, you have to.
Yeah.
We also have to profit.
Look at it. Marketing, business, B2B. Guys, okay. I love your answers. Very nice.
Thank you.
What's your score? I forgot the score now.
Mine is 4, hers is 3.
I answered practical.
Oh, four.
Wow! What is this combination? Woo, competition. Okay. Next question. What country do I want to visit next?
Country.
You want to stay or visit?
Visit, not stay. Actually, I was contemplating about this decision, but okay, let's see.
Yeah, even I
Who
know two
gets
places.
closer?
I know 2 places. Can I get
Yeah.
both?
I'm gonna choose the closest, and that person doesn't get.
Bro, no, I'm spelling it.
Shalaka, you are going in the. Oh, you. More.
Is it Korea?
Yeah, you do.
Morocco.
Dumb.
Sorry, I didn't mean.
Hey, dumb even more, bro. What the fuck, Morocco it seems.
Right, bro. Guys, I think I should change the water, no?
What is that? You just the other day you texted on the group that you wanna go there. What the hell? No, that is something that regular. This is she wants to go there.
Oh, I can't go.
That's South Korea. That I know.
Above.
Or Japan.
No,
It's
not that I knew.
Japan.
But I thought like the next trip.
This even I knew, but still.
Yeah, wrong answers. Shalaka told what? Bali and Thailand.
Oh, this
Guys, let's all go to Tomorrowland. Tomorrow.
All go.
Yeah,
All of you.
my object is anyway coming with me, so. Okay, guys, that was a really bad
See,
answer.
whoever wins, Ibani will sponsor our Tomorrowland ticket.
Look at her. Wow. How much? Fucking 5,000 pounds.
VIP. We will take VIP.
Oh yeah.
5,000 pounds for one trip, guys. That is a minimum. Start saving for that now only. Okay, next one. Guys, this you should know. Okay. How many tattoos do I have right
Hey,
now?
bro, this I definitely don't know what the fuck.
Guess, Shalaka. How can you not know?
Okay,
But I took a guess. I don't know exactly.
Okay, closest one wins.
Yeah.
Closest one wins. Show me your phones. Shalaka, what the fuck is that?
Look at this. No, I got 15. I'm like, yeah, maybe it's too much for one small body.
Guys, I have 24 tattoos.
I was close.
Yeah,
I was
yeah,
close.
she has 18. Shalaka got 8.
Is that a boy or fucking some blackboard?
Go.
No, you have. I remember you tell me 18 some.
That was last year.
Yeah, I wasn't here for a year, so.
Oh.
You're still talking to shut the fuck up.
Okay, so 24 tattoos, you guys, if you have that question.
I was close
This is like a mini Q&A, but fun. Okay, next. Last
I am
question.
reading.
Last question. Drum roll. Shalaka, drum roll.
Beep, 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 beep.
That's like extra. Okay. This question even I don't know, okay? What's my most annoying habit at home?
There's lots of them. I'm like, what the
Yeah, they're like,
lots of I need to sell it.
What a freak! Guys, I'm not annoying. I'm fun. There's a difference.
okay, I have it.
One annoying thing that we don't like about it.
Not you don't like it. Let me see the question. Just overall, in this house, what's my annoying day-to-day habit or something? Yeah, habit, yeah. Don't check kitchen. Overall. What the fuck?
Overall, that's the one.
Shall I get ready? Let me see. Mind your business.
one thing I
What is it?
always fought with you about it.
Not washing your pan after using it.
I've always told. Dude, we literally fought the other day about this.
What the fuck? I was expecting some woo answer.
This is
I know. Guys, so I didn't like both of the answers, so I'm not giving kisses.
But I won eventually.
Oh yeah, she won.
Wow! So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my video.
No, we did not enjoy.
Guys, and if you want more videos with my flatmates, do comment down below, and they're always ready to help me out with some videos.
Next video, Ipan is getting tortured.
No! Guys, if you want... No, you don't want me to get tortured. But if you do, comment down below. Thank you so much. Okay, bye!